Welcome to English Learners Podcast, the place where you don't just listen to English, you live English. Here you listen, you learn, you speak, and slowly, gently, confidently, you improve your English. Hello, my lovely English learners. I'm so happy you're here today. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Good. You've arrived at a space where it's safe to learn, safe to speak, and safe to make mistakes. Before we begin, let me ask you something very simple. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling motivated? Or maybe tired? A little unsure? Or quietly hopeful? Whatever you're feeling, it's absolutely okay. Learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's also about emotions, confidence, courage, patience. And the fact that you pressed play today tells me something important about you. It tells me that you care. It tells me that you haven't given up, and that already makes you a successful learner. I'm genuinely proud of you for being here. This podcast was created for people just like you, people who understand some English but struggle to speak, feel shy or nervous when speaking, know many words but can't form sentences easily, want to sound confident but don't know how. If that sounds like you, you are in exactly the right place. You don't need perfect English here. You don't need fast English. You don't need advanced English. You only need your voice. Let me tell you something very important. Listening to English is helpful. Watching videos is helpful. Reading is helpful. But listening alone will never make you a confident speaker. If you want to speak English fluently, you must speak. Even if your voice shakes, even if your sentence is not perfect, even if your accent is strong. Speaking is not the result of confidence. Speaking is how confidence is built. And today, we start building it together. Today's practice is called shadowing. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques for improving English speaking and pronunciation. Here's how it works. You listen to me. Then you repeat after me. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, the pauses, the natural flow. Just like a shadow follows a person, your voice follows mine. You don't need to think too much. You don't need to translate in your head. Just listen and speak. Even if you speak slowly, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are proof that learning is happening. You may notice that I speak in a British accent. That's simply my natural way of speaking. But please remember, there is no best accent in English. British, American, Australian, or any other, all accents are valid. Your goal is not to sound like me. Your goal is to speak clearly and confidently. So focus on rhythm, stress, clarity. That's what truly matters. Let me share something honest with you. You don't need hours of study every day. 5 minutes of speaking every day is far more powerful than one long study session once a week. Consistency is the secret. And today, by practicing with me, you are creating a beautiful habit. Before we continue, I'd like you to make a small promise. Promise yourself that you will try, speak, and not give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not during this challenge. This is day 1 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. You can do this. I believe in you. Here's what we'll do today. I'll say a sentence. I'll say it slowly and clearly. Then I'll pause. That pause is your time to repeat. You can pause the video. Repeat again. Speak quietly or loudly. Just make sure you speak out loud. Your mouth needs practice, not just your ears. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Very good. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Excellent. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. I understand more each day. Lovely. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Pause for a moment. Notice how your voice feels. Notice how your breathing feels. You are doing something brave. Let's continue. Building calm confidence. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I try every day. I try every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. You're not late. You're not bad at English. You're simply learning. And learning takes time. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am building my confidence one word at a time. I am getting better with every practice. I am getting better with every practice. I am getting better with every practice. You've already spoken many sentences today. That's real progress. Let's keep going. mindset and persistence. I can understand more than I think. I can understand more than I think. I can understand more than I think. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. I show up even when it feels hard. I show up even when it feels hard. I show up even when it feels hard. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Every mistake helps me learn something new. Take a sip of water if you need to. Relax your jaw. Roll your shoulders gently. When you're ready, we continue. Daily confidence. Every day I become more confident in English. Every day I become more confident in English. Every day I become more confident in English. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. I am proud of my progress, even if it is small. I am proud of my progress, even if it is small. I am proud of my progress, even if it is small. English is not hard, it is just new. English is not hard, it is just new. English is not hard, it is just new. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. My English gets better with every word I say. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. This is just the beginning of my English success. This is just the beginning of my English success. This is just the beginning of my English success. You did it! You completed day 1 of your English shadowing challenge. That's not a small achievement. That's a powerful step forward. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You don't need fast English. You just need consistent practice. Come back tomorrow for day 2. Repeat this episode anytime you feel unsure. Every repetition makes you stronger. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, I'm really, truly proud of you. You can do this.